AMP Aero is a parts trading company. We specialize in stocking hard-to-find items for our customers, being airlines, leasing companies, brokers, even OEMs.
We want to be a partner versus just doing a one-off deal. We want to not only sell to you, but also help you monetize your assets.
What makes us different is also what makes us great. Our diversity, our reach across the globe.
The motivation and discipline behind each and every team member here at AMP is what makes this company grow so rapidly.
We have headquarters here in Miami,
Kansas City, India, Turkey,
Dubai, and London as well. We are a true 24/7 company. We understand what the customer needs.
We're not going to leave our customer high and dry. At any point of time, across the floor, across countries, across continents, you have about 6 or 7 salespeople available.
We are a fast-paced, fun company with primary function and primary goals of assisting our customers.
Here at AMP Aero, we are all about innovation and working together.
I like working here because it's a bunch of people that love aviation.
It really focuses on helping its employees grow, not just at work, but as people too.
The people I work for, I want to do well for them.
It's empowering to be a part of an organization where professional growth is encouraged and everyone is committed to excellence.
We are here to solve an issue that the customer has, an expendable, a rotable, an LOP, or a core item or whole asset.
We have that end goal in our mind at all times. How can we be of most support and most service to our customers to help people move, help freight move, help the airlines fly?